we stopped down there, Glenwood Springs, or it must have been Glenwood Springs, and we decided we'd eat before we come up in the hills. We ate, and it's getting dark. We coming up the hills there. I don't know where it was. It's some kind of
just below cow camp.
Just below cow camp. 2-cub bear run across up in a tree. I'm sitting in the middle. Kenny's sitting on the side. Freddie goes, slams it up and park, jumps out, shaking that tree. I said, "What are you doing, Uncle Fred?" I get this bear out. I'm gonna throw him in there with you and Kenny. I want to take him home. I said, "You gonna do what?" He said, "I want to throw that bear in there with you and Kenny." Kenny says, I wonder where Mama Bear is." Freddie said, "We gotta go." He shook that tree for 15 minutes. That bear was hanging on for dear life. Well, that bear would have ate us up, you know? Yeah. Kenny, you know how Kenny was. He's dumber than I am. And Kenny's sitting there going, "Yeah, Fred, yeah, Fred." That damn Freddie talk you to doing any damn thing.
He talked. Yeah, Kenny to go in that cave looking for bears.
Yeah,
that's up over here on.
Oh, I didn't know that one.
Yeah.
I
think that's what he was talking about.
Go in there and shake him out, Kenny. He'll be okay. God damn, Fred.
I remember one time I was one of my cousins. He told Kenny, said, "Kenny, you go in there and you see that that bear you love."
Go in there and what?
"If you see that bear, let us know."
Freddie could do that with the straightest face. We was over there on the other side. I was down there on the other side of Newcastle. Yeah, we hunted on that one side that one year.
Yeah.
Everything else there.
That's when I shot that deer.
And Bernie got lost. Yeah, that goddamn Bernie. Remember when Bernie got lost? By God, you can't never say I got lost. I stay around camp.
You gotta go away from camp before you get lost.
That's where old Freddie's sitting there. I walked by Freddie and Freddie's eating them pig's feet out of a jar. Oh my God. He goes, boom! Glass shattered. Everything else. Everything about that was a good shot, wasn't it? I said, "Yeah, pretty good shot, Uncle Fred." We're sitting there. Here comes this kid running up. "I got a buddy hunting around here." Freddie said, "He's just shot something down there." That guy just takes off running. It was Freddie that shot. I said, "Freddie, don't you feel sorry for that guy? He'll figure it out when he gets down." Yeah. I got a buddy over here. Yeah, he just got something down over there. That damn Freddie. He was something else.
And he said, we were outside, and Freddie said, "He see Kenny come out running." He said, "You take off too, because he'll probably have a fucking bear behind him." And he said, "Well, he needed a little bit more distance. He had a bad leg." So he said, "Kenny."
Yeah, well, that time that Dad killed that elk, and all of us kids there. Okay, Freddie says, he gives you order. Front quarter, rear quarter, head, I'll carry the gun. God damn it. Oh, he was something.
Yeah.
What was that you were saying the other day, Joe? About you're tracking that elk?
Remember when I was tracking them elk? Was you or Freddie I run into? I was up on the hill. I forget if it was you or Freddie. I was tracking them. Boy, I was getting close. I was hot on their trail. All of a sudden, somebody goes, "Hey!" I go, "Hey, what's up?" What are you doing? I said, "Tracking this goddamn herd of elk." Well, as soon as you get over the hill, shoot one of them white-faced cows. God damn it.